Hi guys, welcome to the video. Please remember that if you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe? And while you're at it, hit that bell icon and then you'll get updated every single time I upload a video.
Today we're going to be having a look at the second variant £2 coin to be released in 2018 to mark the centenary celebrations of the RAF, the Royal Air Force. So like I said, this is the second coin being released this year. It's of a series of 5. If you haven't seen all 5 designs, go and check out the video that I made about them. I'll make a video on each and every one as and when I've got them. I've already made the first one, which was the RAF badge. Go and check that out. But for now, let's get into this one. So if you buy this version from the Royal Mint or from Westminster Collection, this is how it arrives in the Royal Mint handbag. Front of and reverse of the packaging. We'll get more into that in a minute. But for now, I'm going to open up my packaging, show you everything that's inside so that you never have to open yours and you can keep it in mint condition. So with the packaging off, that there is the front of the packaging. And once again, the reverse. I really like the hologram on these, the RAF hologram, officially licensed product. But let's have a look inside now. And what I will do as usual is just leave each page up long enough so that you can pause it and read it at your own pace. So I mentioned when I reviewed the first in the series that I was really looking forward to the Spitfire one. I could tell that it was going to be my favourite design, and having seen it now in person, I haven't changed my mind. But as and when the coins come out and I see them and what they look like in person, I might actually change my mind, but who knows? At the moment, this is definitely the best design of the 5. But now let's have a look, before we get into the coin, at the coin specifications. So the denomination is £2. The inner alloy is copper nickel. The outer alloy is nickel brass. The weight is 12.00 grams. The diameter is 28.40 millimeter. The quality is brilliant uncirculated. The obverse designer Jody Clark, and the reverse designers are Richard Talbot and Neil Talbot. A little bit more information by here for you to pause on and have a read if you so wish. But let's get into the coin. So let's have a look first of all at the obverse of the coin. I think that is stunningly shining, which you'd expect from a brilliant uncirculated coin. And now let's have a look at the reverse, the actual design itself of the variant. But there we go, Spitfire RAF 1918 to 2018. I really do like that design. It's beautiful. But let me know in the comment section below if you're thinking about buying any of these. Like I previously mentioned, I'm not going to get any of the silver-proof versions or the gold-proof. It's not a design that I love so much that I've got to have the silver-proof version. But definitely a stunning design, and I'm really glad that I've bought this in brilliant uncirculated. But leave a comment below. Let me know which ones you're thinking about getting, if you've got some of them already. But leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe for future content on coins if you haven't already done so. Thanks very much for watching.